What is the WordPress Toolbar? The WordPress Toolbar is a way of easily accessing some of the most common WordPress features. When you are logged into your WordPress dashboard and you visit your website, you will see the toolbar running across the top of your site. This bar only appears if you are currently logged into your WordPress site, which means that it won't be visible to your everyday site visitors. If you are not logged in, the toolbar won't be displayed. The toolbar allows you to quickly access the following commonly used features. Visit the WordPress.org website, codex or support forums. Display your site dashboard and other commonly used menu options that allow you to update your site themes, widgets, and menus. Visit the customizer to update various site settings and depending on your theme, update your background and header images. View or edit your blog comments. Add a new post, media, page, or user. Perform a site search. View or edit your profile and log out from the WordPress dashboard. How to hide the WordPress toolbar. You can stop the toolbar from displaying by modifying the preferences associated with your profile. Simply click on the user's link in the left-hand navigation to display the list of users. From this list of users, click your username or click on the edit link that appears beneath the username when hovering your cursor over each row. Alternatively, click on the Your Profile link underneath the user's menu option in the left-hand navigation or within the flyout menu. When editing your profile, there is a toolbar option as shown in the screen above. Show toolbar when viewing site. Checking this box will display the toolbar at the very top of your website, only for the person who is currently logged in.